The DJI Avata 2 combo offers an exhilarating flying experience with its advanced goggles, delivering an immersive perspective that feels as if you are piloting from within the drone. With the intuitive motion control system, even beginners can effortlessly maneuver the drone using simple hand movements, eliminating the need for complex button operations. This drone allows users to execute impressive aerial acrobatics like flips, rolls, and drifts with ease, making it possible to capture stunning footage without extensive training. Equipped with a 155-degree field of view and a high-quality image sensor, the DJI Avata 2 captures breathtaking 4K video perfect for those seeking cinematic shots. The built-in propeller guard enhances the drone's durability, offering a robust flying experience while ensuring safety across various environments. Its lightweight and portable design, combined with the LightCut app, makes creating high-quality point-of-view content straightforward, ideal for filmmakers on the go.